Hour. And the race is on. Dito sa Premier Puzzle Word Hunt ng bansa, isang clue.
Let's see our puzzle board in our category is quotation.
Tatlong fortune seekers, isang letra.
An N, please.
Pag nagtugma at nahulaan ng tama,
Tabloid. Tabloid. Ang galing mo. Sugar Mommy. Sugar Mommy.
uulan ng papremyo at biyaya.
Kaya huwag na natin patagalin at paikutin na natin ang Wheel of Fortune.
Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 7:30 in punto sa ABC Game Show Hour.
Wheel of Fortune. Family Feud.
This program is brought to you by Onfon and Silver Swan Soy Sauce, ang tunay na #1.
Isang panalong Sabado na naman ng hatid namin sa weekly finals ng Wheel of Fortune. And here they are, handa ng mabigay ng papremyo at sorpresa, Rustum Padilla and Victoria London.
Isang panalong Sabado na naman po dito sa Wheel of Fortune. Panalo dahil sa sorpresa, sa saya at mga papremyo.
Of course, lalo na kung manalo sila sa ating bonus round. At stake is 100,000 pesos worth of prizes.
At syempre, ang pinakapanalo dyan ay kung sino ang magka-qualify para sa ating monthly finals kung saan pwede silang manalo na isang brand new car. At parang parang hindi panalo feeling ko ngayon, Victoria. Ha? Kailangan panalo feeling ko.
I'm so excited.
Oo, so?
Oh, you wanna... Oh.
Ayan! Panalo tayo ngayon dito sa Wheel of Fortune! O, kamustahin natin ang ating mga fortune seekers na siyang mga nagbabalik para sa ating weekly final, sina Vince, sina Dina at si June. Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo. At dahil weekly finals tayo ngayon, meron tayong goodie one on the wheel. MK, ano ang ating goodie ngayon?
Rustum, it's 10,000 pesos in cash for your pre-Valentine shopping. What a wonderful treat. Compliments of the maker of the all-caring baby products who knows their baby's best. Onfon.
Wow, tamang-tama para sa ating mga date, di ba? Anyway, solve na ba kayo para sa ating pag-solve ng unang puzzle?
Yes.
O di sige, isolve na natin ang ating unang puzzle. Let's see our puzzle board in our category is slogan. At dahil slogan, makikita natin ulit dyan ang Onfon. Pero yung mga letters na yan, pwede pa rin ninyong gamitin to solve the puzzle, okay? So highest cash value on the wheel is 4,000 pesos. Let's start spinning the wheel. Vince, spin that wheel! Okay. 2,250, Vince.
I like an L, please.
L. Yes, 2 L's. That's 4-5.
I'll spin.
Gandang buena mano.
Hey. Bankrupt. 3,250. Yes.
Wow, 3,250, Vince.
C, please.
C. Yes, 1 C.
Hey, I'll spin again.
For 1,800.
Is there a letter T?
T. Yes, 2
Okay.
T's. That's 3,600.
Again. Please, not bankrupt. Not bankrupt.
For 1,000.
An R, please.
R. Yes, 1 R.
Hey, I'll spin.
1,000.
Is there a letter N?
N. Yes, 1 N.
Hey, I'll spin again.
Parang on the road to Vince ngayon, ah.
Huwag sana ma-bankrupt.
Hey, huwag nating sabihin yan para hindi lang.
Huwag sana. Stop, please.
Alright, 3,750.
Letter G, please.
G. Yes, 1 G.
Okay, I'll spin.
For 3,000.
Letter H, please.
H. Yes,
Okay,
1
can I
H.
buy a vowel?
Yes.
Letter E, please.
E. 1 E.
Can I buy another vowel?
Yes, go ahead.
Letter A, please.
A. 3 A's.
Okay, I'll spin.
For 3,000 again.
Letter B, please.
B. 2 B's.
B's.
That's 6,000.
Okay, I'll spin.
Okay, go ahead, Vince. Doing well, Vince. Doing well. For 1,000.
Letter Y, please.
Y. Yes, 2 Y's. That's 2,000.
Can I buy a vowel?
Go ahead.
Letter O, please.
O. 1 O.
I would like to solve the puzzle.
What's the puzzle, Vince?
Unfund the all-carrying baby toys.
Unfund the all-carrying baby toys. Very good. Let's... Ang galing mo?
Siyempre na ganyan.
Di yata chamba yun. Pero maganda, maganda. Anyway, let's see our puzzle. Ayan, unfund the all-carrying baby toys. Siguro naman wala ka ng mga baby toys ngayon.
Wala na.
Pero soon, pag nagkaroon ka na ng anak, kailangan bumili ka sa Unfon. Alright?
Of course.
Of course. Alam mo, Vince, ang napanalunan mo for round 1 is napakaliit na 26,900. Wow! Nakikita ko, June at Dina, sa mga mata ninyo na sana kayo din. May chance kayo for round 2 na makapanalo ng ganyang kalaki rin. Alright, so round 2 po sa pagpapatuloy ng Wheel of Fortune.
This program is brought to you by
Round 2 tayo, pero bago ang lahat, meron muna tayong Goodie 2 on the wheel. MK, ano ang ating Goodie 2?
It feels like a giant hand holding you in sweet comfort when you throw yourself in a slouch on this red upholstered hand armchair. It's not only tops when it comes to providing you your family's casual lounging need. With friends, this practical cushy piece of furniture can even be a conversation piece for its playful novel design from Furniture.
Ayun, okay yun. Sabi ni Dina, ang ganda naman nung silya na yun. Pero okay nga yun, no? Pero hindi kaya pag nakatulog ka doon, isipin mo, hawa ka ng higante. Anyway, kamustahin natin ang ating mga fortune seekers, ating mga daily winners yan. Ang una nating fortune seeker ay si Vince Alcantara. 22-year-old estudyante ng University of Asia in the Pacific at ang kanyang total prize winnings nung daily natin ay 79,000 worth of prizes. Kamusta, Vince?
Okay lang.
Ikaw nanalo ng 50,000 pesos in cash, di ba?
Ayun.
Nagpalibre na ba sa'yo mga kaklase mo?
Siyempre.
Talaga? Ako, hindi pa ako nalilibre, ah. Ba't ganon? Thank you, Vince. Ating pangalawang fortune seeker ay si Dina De Castro. 27-year-old workshop facilitator. Siya po yung mga tumutulong sa mga street children, di ba? At ang kanyang, siya yung Wednesday winner natin at ang kanyang napanalunan ay 24,950 worth of prizes. So, kamusta naman ang mga bata, Dina?
Okay naman sila na ipagluto ko na sila ng breakfast doon sa showcase ko.
Wow, ang bait mo talaga. Ang bait mo talaga. Anyway, ang ating third fortune seeker is si June Paras Jr., 24-year-old medical representative. Thursday winner natin siya at ang napanalunan naman niya ay 74,350 worth of prizes yung Yuppies Showcase, di ba?
Okay na bagay sa akin.
Oo nga, tignan mo naman ang tindig ni tawag dito ni June.
Enjoy ako.
Enjoy, at yapping-yapping.
Yes.
Straight body ka ngayon, para kang kadete. Okay, thank you, June. Umpisa na natin ang round 2. Siyempre, ito rin ang ating jackpot round kung saan meron tayong 10,000 initial pot money at madadagdagan yan sa bawat cash value na hihintuan ng wheel. Para makuha ninyo ang jackpot, kailangan makapagbigay kayo ng tamang consonant, makapagbigay kayo ng tamang consonant, and you must solve the puzzle. Alright? Tumapat sa inyo yung jackpot wedge. Tama?
Tama.
Okay. Sige, jackpot round. Let's see our puzzle board and our category is title. Dina, spin that wheel.
Okay, it's my turn. Game. Goodie. Ay, lumampas. Okay.
Ayan pa lang, oh. Mukhang goodie ka agad, Dina.
Ay, oo.
10,000.
Oh, game. Is there a letter N?
N. Yes, 2N. Yes,
Yes,
kunin mo na yan.
Akin na to.
Para di natin makalimutan.
Okay, spin.
Mukhang maganda ang labanan natin ngayon.
Game. Ay, wag dyan!
For 1,000.
Is there a letter S?
S. No S, sorry, June.
Big money, big money. Come on. $4,000. Yes.
Maayos talaga labanan ngayon. 4,000, June.
Yes. Is there a letter M?
M. Naku, sorry, sayang yun. Pero di bale, babalik pa sa'yo yan. Vince.
Hey. Big money. Come on.
Vince for 1,000.
Letter T, please.
T. Yes, 2 T's. That's
Spin.
2,000 for you, Vince. Vince for 1,000.
Letter H, please.
H. Yes,
Ay,
2 H's. That's
spin again.
2,000. For 1,400.
Is there a letter R?
R. 2 R's, that's 2,800.
Okay, I'll spin again.
For 2,500.
Letter B, please.
B. Yes, 1B.
Okay, can I buy a vowel?
What's the
Letter
vowel?
O, please.
O. 4 O's. Ayan, 4 O's.
I think I will solve the puzzle.
What's the puzzle, Vince?
Born on the 4th of July.
Born on the 4th of July. Matindi itong si Vince. Sino Vince ang bida dyan?
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise, dito pa pinalabas at pinalabas dito, sinuting yan. Okay, let's see our puzzle. Born on the 4th of July. At balita natin, gagawa ulit si Tom Cruise ng pelikula rito tungkol naman sa Bataan. Oo. Anyway, Vince, ang napanalunan mo for this round is 8,900 pesos in cash. Dina, June, medyo malungkot, pero meron pa naman tayong round 3. Pwede pa tayong bawawi. Okay, so round 3 po sa pagpapatuloy ng weekly finals dito sa Wheel of Fortune.
This
3 at sa ngayon ay ang niningning na mga mata ay kay Vince, samantalang kay Ladina at June ay may halong, hindi naman galit, pero energy na gusto makabawi. Kaya bawi tayo for round 3. Let's see our puzzle board and our category is before and after. June, spin that wheel.
On. Big money. Come on, big money. Come on, 2,000. Spin.
O, June, ha? Ang ganda niyan. 3,500. Give me a good letter.
Give me an R, please.
R. 2 R's. That's 7,000 for you, June.
Come on. Big money. Wag bankrupt. Come on.
Isa pa. Ay, naku, hindi umabot. June, pasensya ka na. Pero babalik pa naman sana sa iyan. Alright, Vince.
Okay. Stop.
Uy, napunta sa bankrupt. Anyway, Dina.
Game. Kami naman.
Dina, 3,000.
Is there a letter N?
N. Yes, 2 N's. That's
Alright.
6,000.
Go. Ay!
Hindi. Ayan, 1,000, Dina.
Is there a letter D?
D. Yes, 1D.
Okay, let's go. Ay!
Ano ba yan? Sumasakit na ang dibdib ko sa ito sa bankrupt na yan. Sorry, Dina. O, June, pwede kang bumawi.
Money. 3,000.
For free spin.
G, please.
G. Yes, 1G. Pwede mo na kunin yung free spin wedge. Pwede mong gamitin mamaya yan.
I'll spin.
Okay, go ahead.
Money. Come on.
For 1,000.
Is there an L, please?
L. No L, sorry. Oh, Vince. Sorry, June, sorry.
4,000.
For 4,000, Vince.
Is there a letter M?
M. Yes, 1M.
I'll spin.
Go ahead. For 1,000.
Letter S, please.
S. No S. Sorry. Dina. Uy. Speed up round. Sorry. Ako na mag-spin ng wheel. Speed up round. So kung ano man yung cash value na matatapat kay Dina plus 1,000, yun ang ating magiging total cash value. And then you must give me a consonant and 3 seconds to solve the puzzle.
Isa pa.
For 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000, give me a good letter. Dina?
An H, please.
H. No H. Sorry, June.
B, please.
B. Yes, 2 B's.
Bomber organ donor.
Pakiulit.
Bamboo organ donor.
Bamboo organ donor. Okay, let's see our puzzle. Ayan, bamboo organ donor. Alam mo ba kung saan yung bamboo organ?
Las Piñas.
Las Piñas. So, yung donor.
Drama donor. Yes.
Oo. June, for this round, nanalo ka ng 4,000 pesos. Medyo kinabahan tayo kanina. Hindi mo kaagad na isenya sa akin yung free spin. Pero ikaw pa rin na nanalo for round 3 at iuwi mo na yung 4,000 pesos. Thank you very much.
I enjoyed.
June, I enjoyed having you here.
Yes.
At malaki-laki na yung naiuwi mo kasi 79,000 plus 4,000 o mga less than 85,000. That's good enough, June.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Dina, ang ating social worker at I'm so proud of you and so sa ginagawa mo. Kailangan natin yung mga ganitong tao para doon sa mga tulungan natin yung mga street children, di ba? Dina, meron ka namang consolation prize na UWE. And of
Yes.
course, nanalo ka na nung daily
Oh,
natin.
yes.
And thank you very much,
Thank
Dina.
you,
And you're
thank
such
you.
an inspiration.
Thank you.
Dina. At ang ating big winner, siyempre, Vince, round 1, 26,900. Round 2, 8,900 for a total of 35,800 pesos in cash. At hindi lang yan, ikaw makakasama ko sa bonus round kung saan pwede ka manalo ng 100,000 worth of prizes. So, dyan lang po kayo dahil bonus round na po sa pagbabalik ng Wheel of Fortune.
This program is brought to you by Unfon.
Bonus round na tayo. Kamusta, Vince, ang pakiramdam?
Okay lang, medyo nervous.
Gusto mo mapalitan ng excitement yan?
Siyempre.
O, sige, panoorin mo ngayon tong showcase na pwede mong mapanalunan.
Whatever you're doing in the digital realm, chances are your eyes will light up when you do it on this computer with printer. It comes with a built-in fun factor that kicks in when you're surfing the web, sending and receiving email, and all the rest of the neat stuff you can enjoy on the internet. A feature you can count on getting with every new Macintosh. Enhance your digital lifestyle with an Apple iMac. And credit its design approach that optimized every bit of space and resulted in no wasted corners. It can conveniently fit on this corner work table from Dimension. And when you want some real-time fun with 10,000 pesos worth of gift certificates, you can choose from 70 stylish rooms with state-of-the-art audio-video systems, a computerized selection of over 18,000 songs, plus a wide array of food menu choices. It's hours of wholesome fun at this premier karaoke establishment, the I.O. Family KTV along Jupiter in Makati. And you can also enjoy the pleasures of an overnight stay in a deluxe room, inclusive of a round of drinks at the Kalesa Bar and Lounge, and feel the Hyatt touch of a deluxe boutique business hotel with modern services and facilities. The Hyatt Regency of Manila, the leading choice of travelers.
Nakita mo yung Vin? Ano sabi mo kanina nung nakita mo yung computer?
Kailangan ko yun.
Kailangan mo yun. O, galingan mo para makuha mo ang ating 100,000 worth of bonus prize.
Okay.
Okay, so ready ka na?
Ready na.
Let's see our bonus puzzle, and our category is person.
Okay.
Meron tayong given letters na R, S, T, L, N, and E. Tignan natin ngayon kung ano sa mga letters na yan ang pwedeng makatulong sa'yo, Vince. Marami, 3. Isang S, isang T, at isang N. Alright?
Okay.
Meron pang 4 letters na manggagaling sa'yo, 3 consonants and 1 vowel. Ano ngayon yung mga yan?
A B,
B,
a C,
B as in boy or B as in
B,
victory?
as in boy,
Boys.
a letter C,
C,
a letter M,
M,
and O.
and O. Alright? And then, pag napalabas natin yung mga letters na kung ano man yung pwede makatulong sa'yo, I'll give you 10 seconds to solve
Okay.
the puzzle. Alright, Vince?
Okay.
Tignan natin ngayon kung ano sa mga letra na yan ang pwede makatulong sa'yo, Vince. Madami. M, O, and C. Alright, Vince? Your 10 seconds starts now.
Just a victim. Earthquake. Invasion.
Oh, nako. Person eh. Person, Vince. Let's see. Tignan natin.
Fashion victim.
Fashion victim. Sayang, no? Let's see our puzzle. Ayan, fashion victim. Sayang. Siguradong hindi tayong dalawa. Hindi tayo yan. Kaya lang. Anyway, Vince, wala naman problema dahil nung previous round natin is 35,800 na napanalunan mo. Tapos yung daily round, it's 79,000 for a total of 114,800 worth of prizes.
Wow, that's really good.
And with that prize, ay meron ka naman good chance na makasama sa monthly round kung saan, monthly finals kung saan may pagkakataon ka to compete para sa ating brand new car.
Am I invited too?
Of course! You're always invited. You're always here, Victoria.
Maraming salamat sa Nissan North EDSA for all the support you've given us so far. Up next, Celebrity Feud.
Alright, so maraming salamat po sa inyo. At isa na naman pong weekly finals ang ibinigay namin sa inyo. At every weekly finals, ako'y nai-excite dahil papalapit na tayo ng papalapit sa monthly finals na naman. So I'll see you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Magpahinga po kayo mabuti at magkita-kita tayo ulit sa Monday 7:30 dito po sa Wheel of Fortune.
Tonight's consolation prize winners will each receive 212, a refreshing, gentle, floral fragrance launch by the Design House of Carolina Herrera. This program was brought to you by Onfon and Silver Hunt ng Bansa.
Big money!
Tatlong fortune seekers.
Pang-bakla!
Isang clue.
Let's see, our puzzle board in our category is race.
Isang letra.
I'd like an N, please.
Pag nagtugma at nahulaan ng tama,
Papal visit. Yes, it's papal visit.
Magic wand?
Magic wand. Yes, it's magic wand.
uulan ng papremyo at biyaya.
Ay, sarap.
Wheel of Fortune. Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 7:30 in punto. Dito lang sa ABC Game Show Hour.